Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Think Fungi DIY Grow Kit. Let's get to it. First things that are going to be included in your grow kit are soybean hulls, hardwood, brown rice flour, 3 of these spawn jars with altered lids. Include filters on top as well as an injection port, gypsum, spray bottle, 2 grow bags, humidity tent, gloves and a mask, thermometer and hygrometer, guide on the mushrooms, instruction manual, a little brochure on what type of mushroom is included, 2 zip ties, 2 needles, syringe that has some liquid culture in it, stickers, Think Fungi shop discount, a cultivation manual. That was the unboxing of the Think Fungi cultivation kit. I hope you enjoyed that little video, and that's it. That's all you'll require in order to grow mushrooms.